Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in the stable version of Google Chrome, as you may well know if you use the browser, if you use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and Tab, you can cycle through your open tabs from left to right, which is handy, especially if you are browsing with a lot of tabs open. Now, just to let you know that it seems that Google is going to be adding a little bit more extra functionality to the Ctrl and Tab keyboard shortcut. Because if we head over to Chrome Canary, which is an early preview version of the browser, Google now has added a new toggle to Chrome settings that allows the Ctrl Tab keyboard shortcut to switch between the two most recently used tabs. So the feature is off by default. So by default, it still does exactly the same as what happened in the stable. You can cycle through your open tabs from left to right. But if we head into our settings and we navigate over to Appearance, here you'll see a new toggle. Switch between two most recently used tabs with Ctrl and Tab. As mentioned, it's off by default. Toggle that on. And now you'll see, if I use Ctrl and Tab, it switches between the two most recently used tabs. So just adding a little bit of extra functionality to Ctrl and Tab for that keyboard shortcut. Now, I'm only seeing this in Canary on one of my devices, so it's still early days. And it seems like it's rolling out using a controlled phased approach, which is common for these brand new features. And at this stage, still hard to say if it'll make it to the stable. I personally don't think that I would ever use a feature like this, but nonetheless, that is now in testing in Chrome Canary. So I'll keep my ear to the ground with this, and obviously, if it does make its way to the stable, I'll let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.